Okay, welcome to this video. This is probably the most amazing, craziest video you've ever seen. My name is rob.buser, and I've met you. This is a video specifically for Edwin, Werner, Michael, Jurgen, and Lucia. Listen up, Edwin, Werner, Michael, Jurgen, Lucia. I've met you personally. I've known you quite a while now, and we have been trying to become gazillionaires via all kinds of shady Bitcoin deals. Lots of people in our group have lost our money, relationships, whatever. But this is the craziest video to get you back on track, to hopefully inspire you to get things going again in the right direction. And we've all had our losses in multi-level marketing. We've all had our losses by people running away with our money or stealing our downline, or some network marketing pimp thinking that he has a claim on your income. That's not the point. What I'm trying to do right here is to show you in under 10 minutes what we're doing right now, what I am doing right now, which is becoming bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, and it's all about an income on autopilot. So listen up, because you will see pictures that are totally written in Dutch. You will not understand what you see, but I'm going to translate it in English in order to inspire you to immediately help Edwin, in order to help Werner, in order to help Michael, in order to help Jurgen, in order to help Lucia, in order to help the rest of Austria, Germany, Switzerland, and Slovakia. Bratislava in particular. I love that town. Now, our job is not to get rich of Bitcoin, shitcoin, or OneCoin. Our job is not to get rich of M-Way, My Way, Your Way, or the Highway. Our job is to inspire people in these areas. What we need to do is we need to pre-select people that we allow in our life on money, if they have a huge why, if they're teachable, action takers, spiritual, open for a higher power, if they're real networkers, achievers, marketeers, and duplicators. When not, do not ditch them. This is the area where we can inspire them. So find out in your little talks, in your connection, if any of these items are missing in the persons that you talk to. So find out if they have money. If not, tick it off. Make a note of it. Find out if they have a huge why, a reason why to continue with you and to build up a business. If not, make a note of it. Find out if they're teachable or willing to learn. If not, make a note of it. And the same with action taker, spirituality, networking, achieving, marketing, and duplication. Now, if they're not able, willing, or capable of doing these things, that's the area in where you inspire them, not ditch them. We are not God, so to speak. We're not the higher power. We are here to inspire people in the areas that they are lacking. Now, once you've noticed the areas where people are lacking, where they need help, you go and do the real work. This is the Dutch word for real work, the real work. And the real work the real work is to find out where there's something wrong in their private life. And our basic instincts, our four basic instincts, any human being on the whole planet Earth, any race or religion has four basic instincts. And the four basic instincts, everyone's four basic instincts are sexual, personal relations, ambition, self-respect, and safety. So cross-reference these areas and cross-reference them to the four basic instincts and start helping, inspiring people with their four basic instincts in order to create a lifestyle vision for them that will be a perfect picture in these four areas. So the four areas in where we really going to help each other, you, me, and me, you, is to find out how we can help you with your four basic instincts, with your sexual personal relations, your ambition, your self-respect, and your safety. Safety has to do with food, shelter, clothing, etc. So I want to know what your perfect picture is, your dream, your vision in these four areas. So I want to know from you, Edwin, from you, Werner, from you, Michael, from you, Jurgen, from you, Lucia, to find out what your perfect picture is, what your dream lifestyle is. From that, I'll take you to a business model that I will explain to you in a couple of minutes that will blow your hair back and knock your socks off for the next 30 years. What we have right now is a truly time-limited offer to put everything on autopilot. It has never been before. So forget every piece of experience, every thought, or every every reminder of what happened in the past. Forget it. Forgive those who did you wrong, and listen to this time-limited offer. It's 100% autopilot system, and when I say 100%, I really mean 100%. Now, I've been an online entrepreneur for approximately 15, 20, perhaps longer, 15 or 20 years, or perhaps longer. But what you need in order to make money online is 1, traffic, people; 2, funnels, in where people are being made aware of what you offer, and show and heighten their interest, plus give them an offer that they can't refuse. That's the funnel part. And then send them to your online opportunity, whether it is Amway or your way, my way, doesn't matter. Whatever they want to buy online, they do this without your interference, because in the funnel they have they have all questions answered in the funnel, not by you playing the help desk and being that which the company doesn't want to do. So traffic to funnels, funnels to online opportunities. And again, excuse the Dutch. When you have all three in place, automated traffic, automated funnels, and automated online environments on where people can purchase things, you have the perfect money machine. This is Dutch for perfect money machine. Perfekte Geldmaschine. I don't know how you say it in German. The perfect money machine. And then you can say, okay, Rob, listen, we failed with Bitcoin deals, we failed here, we failed there. That's another story. Hold on for a second. Do not click away yet. So Edwin, Werner, Jurgen, Michael, Lucia, do not click away. Hold on a second. Because for the very first time we have all three software on autopilot. This has never been there before. I've made many attempts to have number one, the traffic put on autopilot. It was never there. Right now we have our hands on a piece of artificial intelligence software that will create leads, worldwide leads on autopilot in a huge way. So we have software that is creating leads. I'm building funnels in where people are being informed about what we buy, sell, and I'm building funnels custom made for you. So I'm building a funnel for Edwin, I'm building a funnel for Werner, for Michael, for Jurgen, for Lucia. I just need to have you on board in the right proper order, so that I stay in integrity, that I do not circumvent somebody and get a huge fight. I need you all to register exactly the way I tell you in order to build your system, to put everything on autopilot, to build your team. You do not have to do anything there. We have software that is literally bringing in leads on autopilot into funnels that are custom made for you before they enter into a money-making opportunity. And I'm going to suggest to you to be part of iMarkets Live. It's an online academy. You do not have to send any pills, powders, or or any goods or services. It's all digital. This is 100% autopilot digital income machine. This has never ever been there before in all the 20 years that I'm an online entrepreneur. The automated lead generator makes the big difference in 2019, and you will be successful. Now I promised to land this video within 10 minutes, so give me a break. But what you need to do, and you meaning first Edwin, then Werner, then Michael, unless it's the other way around, then Jurgen, then Lucia, you need to onboard so register in 3 programs. First of all, GoFounder, which is on passive, that's the same. That's the lead generating software. Second of all, you need to register for the Conversion Pros. This is the funnel system that I need in order to duplicate my funnels into your system. And thirdly, you need to register in iMarkets Live. This is an online academy where people learn how to trade on their mobile phone with smart apps and coaching. All digital. You do not have to do anything. The moment you're onboarding, I build your system. You get auto team, auto team build software, you get auto follow-up funnel software, and you get auto purchasing platform on where you make money. All these three things separately are making money. I've created several documents for you to sign to give me the full control over your systems in order to also resell this system. So now you have 4 income opportunities that I will 100% control for you. So next to the Bitcoin deals, next to whatever you do, this is the automated income system that we can arrange for you if you allow me. So this is the message. It's a little over 10 minutes. I've shown you a perfect money machine. UFO is my company that facilitates this system. Robportunity is my concept development company. We build 100% automated funnels. Click links underneath here if you want more explanation. Leave your best email address plus mobile telephone number when you see this video somewhere on a page where you can do so, and make sure you contact the person that introduced you to me. So make sure Werner and Michael, make sure you contact Edwin to help him to get on board. He needs help there. Jurgen, make sure you contact Michael and Werner in order to be helped to onboard. And Lucia, make sure you contact Jurgen. And we're all happy family, one big happy family, back in the space on an automated way. So here you go, craziest video you've ever seen probably. I'm just curious if I've inspired you back to the level that you were just before you entertained other businesses in where you were confused and disappointed. So I'm very curious if this video re-enthused you in order to allow me to help you in a different way, next to the Bitcoin deals and next to the other stuff that we're doing. Do and not do only this or only that. I've discovered, like I really found out myself, that people purchase this one after the other. I'm literally selling this concept for $300, $500, and $1,500. People really pay for it and really have been sent these documents, these contracts, and they are onboarding in the 3 opportunities that I showed you in this video. So would it be okay to call me directly or set up a Zoom meeting in where we will discuss this in detail? So Edwin, invite Werner, invite Michael, invite Jurgen, invite Lucia, invite each other to set a time to have a Zoom call to go into detail so that I can build this system for you, and you do not have to do a single thing. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon, somewhere in a huge resort having fun. That's for sure. So keep the vision high, and I'll definitely see you on the beaches of the world. Check you soon. You'll see my telephone number underneath somewhere in the description. Phone me, get on Zoom, Skype, doesn't matter. Come together somewhere in the middle of where we live. Have a good time and make sure you do your onboarding. Make sure you say yes to this with both arms. This has never ever been seen before.